Hello, this is Zeba Academy. In this video, we'll explore how you can make a career at ISRO, the Indian Space Research Organization. Founded in 1969, ISRO is a beacon of technological innovation in space exploration. Established by Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, ISRO has made significant contributions to India's scientific advancements. ISRO's journey is marked by incredible achievements. From launching satellites like Aryabhata to missions like Chandrayaan and Mangalyaan, ISRO has earned global recognition. ISRO operates through various centers and facilities across India. Key centers include the Vikram Sarabhai Space Center for launch vehicle development and the Space Applications Center for satellite development. Most positions at ISRO require a bachelor's or master's degree in fields like engineering, physics, or computer science. Degrees in mechanical, electrical, aerospace, or computer engineering are highly valued. ISRO looks for skills beyond academics. Problem-solving, critical thinking, and teamwork are essential. Collaboration is key at ISRO. Professionals from various disciplines work together to achieve common goals. Gaining relevant experience through internships and research projects is vital. Working at ISRO comes with challenges, but also great opportunities. The complexity of space missions and resource constraints are challenging, but they also offer chances to innovate and grow. Maintain a strong passion for space, focus on building your technical skills, and always be ready to learn and adapt. A career at ISRO is a journey filled with opportunities. By understanding the requirements, gaining relevant experience, and preparing well, you can be a part of India's space exploration future. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Zeba Academy for more insightful content.